What are you doing up under here? You just got this thing.
Engine's trash.
Yeah?
Transmission, trash. Rear end,
Oh, yeah.
that's open AF, and we're about to make it solid.
Do you know how to weld it together? The diff?
Sure.
Did you drain the diff fluid? You didn't?
Uh-uh.
Surprised it's not leaking out.
There's probably none in there. Just pull both sides out until it like falls out of the diff.
You can tell when it falls out
Oh yeah,
in
it's,
there?
it's just like, and you can like hear it like drop down.
And then you can take out the diff.
Yep, I gotta get under there and take them bolts out.
There you go. I guess pull it out. My brother got this thing torn apart.
So we would weld every like spider gear that's not coming into contact with each other. So we weld every gear but like 4 of them. The 4 that lock into place. So we wouldn't weld those, but we would weld every other one that's not touching anything.
And that allows this to still kind of move around and you can center it in each half. So we got the gears out and now we got the MIG fired up and ready to weld. Anything else to say? Yeah! Got the gears all welded up and you can see on each end there's a little bit that isn't welded, and that's so the gears can mesh together. Sanded off all the slag, got them all smooth so they'll go back into place. So the spots that aren't welded, you can see that the gears still mesh, but they'll quickly bottom out and it's basically a locked rear end. So now we can do some major donuts and drifting and all kinds of cool stuff. So this, dude, that's it.
Can't turn.
Can't turn. Dang, good job. What's wrong with it?
I don't know. It's not moving.
Oil it up a little bit. Still not moving.
Bruh. Oh!